Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a Christmas special carrot cake that is soft, rich, and full of festive warmth. Made with slow cooked milk and fresh carrot, this cake is perfect for holiday baking. Let's start the recipe. First take one carrot, grate the carrot and keep it aside. Carrot cake become popular as a naturally sweet dessert. Carrot cakes taste even better the next day. In a pan, pour 1 cup milk and cook on medium heat. Stirring continuously. Add 2 tablespoons milk powder and mix well. Reduced milk adds richness and depth to baked goods. Cook until the milk reduces to half cup. Then cool completely. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup curd and half cup sugar. Mix well. Add 1/4 cup ghee and mix until smooth. Sieve 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon custard powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Custard powder enhances color and softness in cakes. Mix the batter gently after adding flour. Add the cool boiled milk to the batter. Always cool the reduced milk before adding to batter. Now add the grated carrot, 1 tablespoon pistachio, 1 tablespoon almond. Mix well to form a smooth batter. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and line it with baking paper. Pour the batter and sprinkle pistachio and almond on top. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Bake on medium-low heat for even cooking. Cool completely before slicing. Carrots are rich in antioxidants and vitamin A. Homemade cakes allow control over sugar and fat. Nuts add healthy fats and minerals. Ghee helps keep the cake moist and aromatic. Your Christmas carrot cake is soft, moist, and beautifully festive. Serve it warm or chilled with tea. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more festive baking recipes.